Hi, my name's Cameron Hefner. I am the Liberty STEM teacher. I teach grades 4 through 8, and this is my second year teaching. Here at Liberty, we have the Boxlight panel, we have the Robo 3D printers, we have the MyBot robots, and the GenSci lab discs.
Liberty is a very diverse district where we have almost 70% of our students on free and reduced lunch. And our goal is to, and continues to be, to provide opportunities for our students to allow them to grow, to, I think most importantly, to allow them to explore resources and instructional options that present different learning opportunities, alignment with different content areas, and critical is the exploration of career opportunities that could develop because of their proficiency.
So I'm originally certified in grades 4 through 9 math and science. I know that STEM involves our engineering and technology, but those are going to be new fields for me. So I was excited to explore them, but definitely nervous because it was taking me out of my comfort zone. But after I was trained in it, I felt a lot better. They were very user-friendly. So using MyStemKits has made my life a lot easier, and there are tons of different options for every grade levels. Using the GenSci lab discs, we were able to test the pH of different substances. We were able to tell if they were acidic or basic. Being able to 3D print our own pieces for our lessons has been awesome because the students think of it as new materials and equipment they get to use. So they always get into, wow, this is made in the classroom. Using the Boxlight panel, the students are able to interact as a whole class discussion. They're able to add their own thoughts to the board. We're able to save the files, and it's also interactive in a way where they can play games that help increase and enhance their learning. I definitely recommend working with Boxlight products because it's like a one-stop shop for everything you may need. It has the lessons, it has the technology, and it has the customer support you will need. So it's definitely a great investment into our school district, and I think it would be a good investment in any other school district too.